Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how to fast start your network marketing business. So real quick, why you should listen to me. I've been able to consistently hit the leaderboards for both leads and sales, and I've been doing that for the past year consistently. Here's what you're going to learn. My YouTube Fast Start Blueprint, you're going to learn my Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. YouTube content creation steps. Step one. The first thing you want to do is identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is going to be done by looking at what others have done to accomplish what you want to accomplish. And you're going to essentially look for similar content to the content that you want to create. Then you're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy. You're going to go to that video that you want to replicate, click on the video, copy the tags to a Word document using the tool TubeBuddy. I left a link in the description for that tool. You can just install it on Google Chrome. Step two, you're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrase, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. So you want to create a title with multiple keywords. So when you copy those tags, you're going to see multiple different keywords. You kind of want to mix and match those keywords within your title, and so that your content can actually rank for multiple keywords at once. Step three is you want to create a description that's about 300 words long, and you want to scatter your keywords throughout. So you can even just paste your keywords in there and then just start to write your 300-word description. Paste your link at the top of the description. So whether you have an affiliate link or a replicated site, you want to put that at the top. Sometimes it's also helpful to put a Google phone number up there, and even link out to some social media if that's what you want to do. It depends on the purpose of the content, but you want to place your link at the top of the description, because this is where people will see the link right away, and they don't have to necessarily click show more. So you want to paste that at the top. Create your thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail with your primary keywords. So there's multiple videos on how to utilize Canva. You just click YouTube thumbnail and you want to go ahead and create a nice looking thumbnail. Okay, here's a couple tips. Just don't reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. Now you don't want to copy verbatim what somebody else said, but you can just make similar content to someone who has the success that you want. You want to do 3 to 5 minute content. You want to utilize open broadcast system. So if you want to just do PowerPoints, or if you want to show your face in the corner and have your website in the background, open broadcast system is the tool that you're going to use for the screen share. Save your video as your keyword optimized title. All right, Facebook prospecting. So you want to see exactly where your target market is hanging out, exactly what groups they're using on social media, and you want to post in those groups. Go to someone's personal page, comment, follow, and send a message. This is the daily activity you want to do if you're actively prospecting on Facebook. And when you first start Facebook, usually people actively prospect first. So here's a good first message. Hey, say your name, and you want to be honest here. So I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyways. I noticed a lot of your comments on the, for example, to say you saw them on the Tony Robbins fan page, you'll just say that. So I saw you on the Tony Robbins fan page. I checked out your profile. I think we definitely have a lot in common when it comes to, so actually look at the person's profile, let them know that you're really interested in them and what they're all about. And I saw that we have the same mindset on, for example, work ethic. So I thought we should connect. Great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? You do want to end with a question, as that usually keeps the conversation going. So you can ask a question on your timeline. Here's a couple things you can do just for engagement. Post quotes. Honestly, family pictures always work. And I love my blank, things where people can fill in the blank, things where people can interact with your page. Connect in groups again. So Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins, those are the top fan page. You want to make about 5 to 10 connections per day, especially when you're starting. You're not going to be able to just use pull marketing where you're just attracting your ideal customer and client. You're going to be using a lot of active prospecting in terms of Facebook. YouTube does become more passive at a certain point, but you definitely want to be creating content on a daily basis until you build that following. And it's a three-step process that you're going through. Essentially, you're building an audience, engaging an audience, and then eventually selling to the audience. You want your posts to be 90% personal, 10% about your business. So you definitely don't want to blast and talk about your business all day, every day. You want to be more well-rounded. So have positive quotes. Your vibe is going to really attract your tribe here. You want lifestyle pictures and those kind of things so that you raise curiosity and not resistance. And on the subject of curiosity, here's an example of a curiosity post. This morning I made a great green smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Okay, this is because what you want the next person to do is essentially say, but what's that green powder? And you want them to reach out to you at that point. Okay, guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to check out the link in the description to continue your education. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly what I had to do. Where now I'm able to generate those 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, and some people sign up into my business on autopilot. Go ahead and click that link. I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Again, I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.